Brother Bilal, Philadelphia, love surreal.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Good. G, how you
And I
doing?
know what's
I'm doing well.
everybody needs to
This is a little surreal for me because
Yeah,
I've
it's a
been
good
following you from the
relationship.
beginning. Love
Take
your
care of
art.
each other.
Thank you.
Definitely love your art. Looking at you
Like
dressing
ribcage,
looks
you know,
like
right?
music isn't your only art form. You got a stylist in you. Every day.
Thank you,
Absolutely.
man.
You mentioned a lot today about school and music. How important is art in schools? Because you know they're taking it out of schools now.
I think art in school is very important. You know, it makes you think outside of the box. You know, and it makes you a problem solver, creative in life. You know, and you know the way you move. You know, and having individuality. You know.
Absolutely, absolutely. And how important is that in stepping out and grabbing a career of your own?
I think it's important on all levels, you know, to have your own mind and a creative way of thinking, you know.
Yeah. One of the things that you've dealt with in this business is adversity with, you know, the record labels and the big, you know, monster that is the industry. Talk a little bit about that.
But it's so rewarding to see like such growth after.
Yeah, I've had my journey, you know, in this industry because it's been a lot because I've always been a person that had my own ideas and my own plight on my journey and my road, you know, what road I want to take.
Right. And you've been that way since the beginning.
Yeah, I've never really wanted to follow things because people told me that was the way. I've always been somebody that tries to search for things that work for me, you know. So
I am definitely a fan. I thank you for having a conversation with me. Tell them where to follow you, how to get your music.
you can follow me on my website, bilalmusic.com, and it'll take you through everything, you know, the Twitter, the Tumblr, the Instagram, all of that.
Speaking of that, how important is social media now with the way that you market yourself?
Very important. Very, very.
Like Chief, yeah.
For independent artists, you know, like me, I kind of change people's lives. It's important to have a website and somewhere where people can go to and get to know you.
Yeah. How important is owning yourself?
Very important, you know. It's all about, you know, seeing this as a business.
It is. It is. Brother, thank you for coming to talk to me. Peace to you.
Right.